Well, here you go, folks. Here's evidence that I'm starting to turn my attention back to Tony Ray's Tiger Moth. I'm currently printing off a Spitfire pilot, and I think that's a suitable pilot for the model, because after all, the Tiger Moths were the training vehicles for future Spitfire pilots. So here we go. Once he's completed, I'll show you what he looks like. At the moment, I'm very impressed. Very crisp print. Here's the print approaching the end, and I think you can see even from there that it's a very impressive model, very well sculpted. Credit to the person that's produced this. I'll try and find him again and put a link. Very nice model. Let's have a look. There you go. One RAF Spitfire pilot. Well, I don't think you can fault the quality of that. It's an excellent print, which really goes down to the quality of the work that's gone in before it gets to the 3D printer. So loads of credit there. Let's see what it looks like in the model for size. Well, I think that'll work out just fine. Obviously the body will have to be extended somewhat, but I think I can do that. There you go. Useful little print.